Is your bedroom lighting making the space feel dull or incomplete? The right lighting can completely change the mood, turning a simple bedroom into a cozy retreat or even a stylish statement. In this video, I'll show you practical and creative bedroom lighting setup ideas that not only brighten the room, but also make it more inviting. Whether your goal is relaxation, functionality, or a modern aesthetic, you'll find inspiration here. Bedroom lighting setup is the combination of different light sources, ceiling, wall, and accent lighting designed to create balance between function and atmosphere. It's not just about brightness. It's about creating layers of light that suit your lifestyle. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Start with ambient lighting, like ceiling lights or flush mounts, for overall brightness. Step 2. Add task lighting, such as bedside lamps or adjustable wall sconces, for reading or focused activities. Step 3. Introduce accent lighting with LED strips behind the headboard, under the bed, or along shelves for a soft glow. Step 4. Use dimmers to control brightness and switch between relaxing and active moods. Step 5. Incorporate decorative lighting elements like pendant lamps or fairy lights to give personality to the room. You'll need basic fixtures, ceiling lights, bedside lamps, LED strips, dimmer switches, and decorative lights. Many of these are affordable and available at local home stores or online. If possible, choose LED bulbs. They save energy and last longer. Quick tips: warm white bulbs create a cozy feel, while cool white bulbs feel more energizing. Place lamps at eye level when sitting or reading to reduce strain. Use layered lighting instead of relying on one central source. Smart bulbs can change colors and brightness with just your phone. Cost comparison. Installing a full custom lighting design can cost anywhere from $500 to $1,500. But if you choose DIY-friendly solutions like LED strips, bedside lamps, and affordable fixtures, you can set up a beautiful bedroom lighting plan for under $200. First, plan your lighting zones: ambient, task, and accent. Next, choose your fixtures and bulbs. Then, install the main lights, followed by accent pieces like strips or fairy lights. Finally, test the setup and adjust dimmers to match your mood. Notes: design experts recommend using 3 layers of lighting: ambient, task, and accent for balance. Avoid overly harsh light, as it disrupts relaxation. If your room is small, opt for wall sconces instead of floor lamps to save space. We looked at how layered lighting: ambient, task, and accent can transform your bedroom into a stylish and relaxing space. With the right mix of lamps, strips, and dimmers, you can create comfort, functionality, and mood all in one room. If you enjoyed these bedroom lighting ideas, hit the like button, share this video with someone redecorating their room, and subscribe for more smart home design tips.